So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to change the search engine in Internet Explorer. So if I was to type in you can see that it does a Bing search. So all you have to do is go to settings, then we go to manage add-ons. Now from here we go to search providers. You can see that we've got Bing here and it's set as default. So to add other search engines, we go to find more search providers, and then here we could just scroll down through and we can just add. So if we add Google, we can add Yahoo as well. Okay, so we just close this down so it refreshes it. So we just go back onto settings and then manage add-ons, go to search providers. We can see that they've now been added into this menu here. So I could just make Google my default, so set as default, and we close. And then if I was to just copy this search, we'll paste it back in. See, it's now done a YouTube search, and we'll just quickly do the same for Yahoo as well. So we go back on manage add-ons. Okay, so Yahoo we just set as default, close, and again I'll just paste back in the search. See, it's now done a Yahoo search as well.